Guys, we are chilling here at Capello in Sunnyside.
Sunny Park.
Sunny Park. For those who know Nkandelo Gingirkani,
Yeah.
I once did an interview with Knowledge Nkuna. Knowledge Nkuna music.
Okay.
I had an interview on episode 5 Young Nkandelo Gingirka. Please go and check it out. I asked him the question, Shingabanjanu Kuri, one but the producer. Baba more focus on producer music than the artist as well.
Yes.
Is that not contributing to hold that back? Some of the skills that they should give you as an artist.
Exactly. Kashitsonga, the biggest guys lava batlanga kushitsonga. Ibona batlela kuba mix. So and those people, it's the artist. Imagine if Ntaka wena nifukani ba a hit album today, later ngwako ibani nkwabo wena uyahumesa a month later shingabi nitleni uyaka wena next year nikunlava album. Do you understand? Yeah. So umelela ka ti-genre hinkwaswo sweswo swa ku pfalelana, but the disadvantage is Xitsonga, it's only a few people lava tlangaka.
Okay. Psychology is going to do Mapean. I'm not sure, but he said it.
Yeah.
Is there a chance you could
really psychology? Like
GCR.
Yeah. Okay, I'll never confirm as well because honestly speaking, we've got something in the pipeline menana psychology.
Oh.
Yeah. Some names lava banga kona already kama piano. I don't want to mention that.
Can I take a guess?
Yeah.
DJ Maporis.
I wish and then Changan Katloga stuff.
No, but you can always give him a call.
I spoke to Zico because but really not Zico and then Zico and Blablela because I would really love to work with that guy. I'd really love to work with Kabza. I'd really love to work with Maporisa. Mara the one person lo imbili aminata tsakela kutirana yena at the moment. It is something Soweto because nice. Because voice ina soul. Na voice ina soul. So I want that thing. So, but at the moment, someone is heavyweight to come up here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, psychology is there. Mapele the boss is there. Other people will on a lie.
When, guys? I can't wait.
Good Friday. Good Friday.
Like a match. No, this is much. April. Is the
Good Friday kutatika.
Pelechude.
Ay mangi phela night vocalist. Ay tsarwanga ku xigaza mapele xigaza. No.
Hallelujah.
Antsarwanga mapele xigaza. I just go. It's advantage ya kuba independent.
True.
You can just do whatever you want. Loko la ku bifa munhu bifa kwala na kwala. U nga report ka munhu. Yeah, loko la ku bifa kwala na kwala. Batlha va nga endli nchumu. Oh sorry.
Shangena kereke mapele.
Yeah, mapele kahle munhu wa kulunga too much mara van'wana va dlaya ku press the wrong button.
Va xipushelela swilo.
Va dlaya ku va ende kulunga loko a swi vuli ku ri maxo va bari. You cannot unge fikeleli ka lani nga fika kona avuton'wini ne eka ri xiphuva. It's impossible.
I rhandza music njhani wena mara?
Mina ni rhandza Marabenta. That's why my dream I ku tirha na Xidimingwane, Fanaka Mashake, na Mozambique before he is old now. I think he's 88 years old this year. So I would love to work with Antonio Marcos, aka Mayengani. By the way, ipileta kuibitwa Antonio Marcos, aka Mayengani.
Guys, you heard
EP amina leta kuyashgaza.
Yibitwa
yeah, yibitwa Antonio Marcos, aka Mayengani. Okay, yeah. I love Marabenta, I love Panza music. Honestly speaking, Gazana Bainta Mumara Anisha Ranzi that much. Nah, Bamara, not so much.
Can I ask a very controversial question?
Yeah.
Kuna beef between Wena and Tim Shiriman right now?
No, akuna beef. Mr. Posty ngwenyamina we abulabula akuna nchumu na nchumu.
I saw your last album Winje na Prince Rangani.
Yeah, obviously. Ansukile le ka Tim Sherman because I was trying to, as I said before, I was trying to build my own brand. Lokuntira na Rangan angarka Rangani music. I was under Pelitude. Pelitude is my record label.
True, I know.
So like Team Sherman, obviously, so Pelitude there, and I'm not pushing my own brand. So that's why I left. yeah, not the problems tin'wana ti ri kona internally. I don't talk about such things.
Okay. Mapele mara wena. Hi mapele va ta ku ba machakana.
Ni va ni beriwa yini ku ri mina
Ni vona tinyama letiwa.
tinyama kwini a ku la nchumu.
Va ba mabodlelo machakana.
Yeah, look, I mean, man bela yini because look, I mean, video la ni endlile because I was provoked. The track leti nge le ndleleni ta beef leti vanhu va nga ta beef mara beef ni ta va ni tiyimbelerile because I was provoked. So ku ri vona va ti teka njhani sweswo swi ta va swi nga lavi ngopfu mina.
I know you're building yourself as a singer and you want to see yourself somewhere. Where do you want to see yourself kahle kahle? I understand, Kuri. I don't want to say in the next 5 years because that's too much, that's too long. Like, look, Kumapele say to enerini some music.
I think in Fikini lan la ko.
You think?
Yeah, I think in Fikini lan la ko because look, I mean, mina from the beginning, ntirana vanhu, I've worked with about 278 musicians so far. That's a lot. That's a big number. So my aim was to help upcoming artists. You know, I love Lovedu. Every week I work with a new artist, almost every week. So I'm building talent in Ndlela leyo. Everyone look, I've worked with Mapele. So I'm there. I'm pushing people. I'm there. Because I'm not jealous. The way I saw, this is how I wish everyone catch Gaza. So Gaza, it's a problem.
Can I say this because you are them? Okay, no, I don't want to say you're the first. You are one of the few people who actually follow me on my channel.
Yeah.
I don't know when did you start following me. Like you look like you are a person.
Yes. Anyway, my number is everywhere. What is this? Lava mulok, alava mapele. Akota kunkuma mapele. Mina not this and that and stuff like that. If I can help you, ndakufuna. If ninges got kufuna ndakuzela ko ninges got kufuna here is in the nali. Why it says unlabi goba an uptight kind of artist. Lo agore was self-centered. Lo agore minan artist ningwanya. Man, I've been singing for 20 years. I've seen a lot of people. I've helped a lot. So laguba that kind of a person.
What can you say to people that are saying Mapele ola trend ola he's trying to be relevant?
Nah, my latest song, I ended before shooting that video. You talk about 60 something to 70,000 views. That's a lot of people.
Yes.
The comments on the song.
They love that you get.
The song is called Welcome to 2020. I mean, you'll see how much people love me. Win because you see, I'm doing what I love. Wait, this is Niendla local house. I love that style of music much more than I love Shgaz.
Okay, Pelechute or Mapele the boss.
Mapele the boss, yeah.
I know you can play.
Yeah, I can play keyboards.
What other instruments do you play?
In Lego taking the guitar because eventually I'll end up doing marabenta and stuff like that. So I'd love to play my own songs because I can't play that music. So the beat so I'll end up playing marabenta and stuff like that. So I'm learning how to play the guitar now.
Nice one.
Yeah.
And then what can you say to your fans that are watching you right now?
Look, the fans tell me I'm just an independent artist. I run Pelechute Records. I've been running Pelechute Records for 20 years. Nkombela credit for so and then nkombela freedom, nkombela ku reserve freedom ya mina as a vocalist kwendla music low mina lava kwendla wona hi nkarhi wa mina. You understand? Regardless, if when are you sitting there saying you are my fan, then you'll have to understand so the next songs let landzela kuma ka mina itash Gaza. Right. And then after Tash Gaza, the tlhelela kwa le Lovedu na nola ku vuyanyana ni endla statement in tlhentlhela.
Do you follow sports?
The only sports ningakashona is fishing. I go fishing with my mates and the competition so I love fishing. So
do you own a boat or something?
Yeah, Mina, I don't own a boat, but a friend of mine has a boat. So we usually use the boat for fishing, yeah.
Guys.
I've got nothing. I've got nothing.
So the lessons later we're not trying to call in that video?
Yo, Kresidelenga. Well, I mean, the guy's trying to build a house and obviously he's stuck financially. Mina look ano ba yena. I don't know Gronati fending and like a PJ. How many fans does he have?
I don't know.
Probably about 200,000. What ako minanta in like anta in the post. Ni kombela ti donations from those fans. Ni umesa ti banking account mina ni kombela donation ya 10 rand from each and every one of them. So if he's got 200,000 people, 10 rand aita unyika 2 million. Loko kruk ay donation antoba laba ban'wanyana ba choose ku ko ba loan abata lomba ti 10 rands each, which I would pay back. So anta teka that 2 million ne aka indlo itlhela kusala change, then that change na akela vanhu lavaya va yi lava ku back mali ya vona. So anta vana ni hete indlo liya ni nga humesanga na peni.
Mapele.
One of the advices leta ntangu nyika tona mina.
Okay.
Kuri put up a post lenge hi mina Ben Mahengani le ku akeni ka yindlu I'm stuck. Ni teacher pride. Ni kombela 10 rand from each and every one of you. Hi let the banking details ta mina. Ba chela ti 10 rand. 200,000 people, 2 million. Nteka mali liya ni hetsa yindlu kusala cinci probably boma 300,000. Lava vange va lava ti 10 rand ta vona back. Nteka mali yan va nyika. I would have built that house. That's how I was able to build my house. The timing ya ku hela na yona le. I'm poor, man. I'm poor, but I built that house. My house is worth millions.
And you save money, so.
Well, yeah, not save here and there. Obviously, yeah. I do that, yeah.
Yo, guys, he doesn't hold back. And just to let you guys know that the views expressed on this show does not represent those of me. It's Mapele's view, so don't attack me. Don't attack me. Because I'm talking with
Yeah.
And another thing, Mapele, I didn't know that I was going to be talking to Mapele today.
Yeah.
You actually came to my video and
commented.
After I said, if you are watching, please come to Nkanelo.
Yeah,
and you are here today.
Yeah, I'm here today because you know what? What went down in the video because video magaku benu embele banu agor menani pounds nyangibona, and I had no business with that guy. That guy anganunghlaka ligyamina. He's a celebrity, yes, but he's not someone ogor menanta laba kutsama hansi ni bana topic na yena because obviously he's got a small brain. Onto this. So and I've got no business whatsoever with that guy, and I don't think I'll ningabana business na yena. Onto this. So wastava ku usibona njani, he's got a small brain, attracta vanhu va ku va na small swivanani leswi a swi attracta ku la hi swona swi fanele ku swi n'wi nyika ti 10 rand letiya a swi fanele swi ya dya xikolweni. Swi na yona mali liya hi liya swi fanele swi ya dya xikolweni swi n'wi nyika yona a swi nyiki account a kombela ti 10 rand letiya laha a hetisa yindlu liya a teka cinci a nyika lavan'wana va yi lava ku back ti 10 rand letiya ta.
Let me ask you this question again, Mapele. Don't you think what you're saying will make people feel like when I push up in you?
Oh no, it's an advice. I'm saying to you, if you ask for 10 rands from 200,000 people, you've got 2 million. Take that 2 million, do that. Swallow your pride, do that. Take out that 2 million. Uya akaindlu. Logo yindlu na yehela usalele cinci. Iteka le ngasala inyika lavan'wana va nge va lava mali ya vona back. Come on, man. Is that not an advice?
Okay, guys. I
Yeah.
I can also extend an invitation to anybody who's out there, especially Ben Mahengani. If you're watching, you can also come to Nkanelo Gingirikan and set the record straight. If you feel like you can come through to the show. But thank you very much, Mapele.
Yeah, not the last words.
Yes. What's your last word?
Okay, yeah, but Secretary va Mapele the boss. N'wina va le Balobedu na n'wina va Matsonga mi swi tiva ku ri i phile endleleni ti track timbirhi tinharhu leti hi nge le ku tirheni tona ti basterek ma swi tiva ku hi xigaza na hundla strong ti ta mi cinisa ti ta mi vulavurisa ti ta mi endlisa hinkwaswo nkarhi wu lo fika vanhu va hosi teka
tekani ka Nkanelo Gingirikan ku mina na Mapele tshame kahle laha kha hi dyela hi ri laha Pitori mara se hi lava ku suka tamu ta hina ni kha ni nga khensa swinene.
Thank you. Ni khensile ku va ka n'wina la ka
Nkanelo
Gingirikan.
hayi ko va ka hina loko ri mina mandzele gere Gingirikan wa ku ma xava xa mina i yindlu mi nga titimeli
xa wena i yindlu.